crap. This thing is so much fun, but it's like it's so little, you know? Oh, freak. It's hard to feather the clutch in this. It's so freaking easy to turn though. Brakes are pretty good. Whoops. Don't want to lock up that rear tire. Alright. Things I don't like about this is it's so freaking unstable compared to the big bike. Like this would be my second gear, you know? But this thing's pretty fun, you know? I'm used to giving it so much gas. I'm used to giving it like a crap ton of gas. Freaking see ya in the next one. Freaking raging right now. See that gas? Boom. See that? Boom, boom, boom. Yeah.